Hey, welcome guys. This video doing an unboxing of the Lenovo Smart Display with Google Assistant built in. This is the first ever display with Google Assistant built in as a smart home product outside of, say, a tablet or a cell phone. So I'm kind of stoked to see what this kind of can do, as I have about 4 Google Home devices throughout my home right now, but none of them have a display. So as you can see, it has some compatibility with stuff like Spotify, Philips Hue light bulbs, and other good stuff. Pretty much anything your Google Assistant can do on, say, a cell phone or Google Home speaker, this should theoretically be able to do pretty much the same thing. So we'll just get this wrapper off. And I've been already making some plans on what to do with this. Probably most likely put in the kitchen. One of the key selling features about this is that you can kind of have some recipes show up. Even there on the box, as you can see, it's showing like a sample recipe video. So it just kind of makes sense to me to do that. I mean, you could actually put this anywhere you want, but that just seems like the best spot for me. I'm sure a lot of people will do the same thing. Okay, so just kind of getting that off. Alright, so there's the actual smart display. So we have some quick step swipe to the right from the left edge to exit whatever's being shown, but I'm more of the type to just kind of play around with an experiment. Get that off. So the shape at the back of the device is pretty funky. You kind of see that triangular pyramid type of back edge to kind of keep it standing afloat right there. Kind of funky. There's speakers on the left. Looks kind of very 80s style, not that attractive. Kind of weird choice. They could have made it look a bit more sleek, but you know, not a big deal. Here's some documentation. This looks to be just like a quick start guide, how to get it set up and stuff like that. This seems to be some sample commands on what you can tell Google Assistant to do. And there, of course, is the power brick itself. I'm glad it's narrow and tall. I'd rather have it like that instead of taking up numerous spots on a power bar if by chance you have to set it up like that. So I'm glad Lenovo kept it thin so it doesn't take up too much space on that. I'm very particular about that. Almost every unboxing, that's one of the things I'll unmention. So let me see if there's anything extra at the bottom. I always kind of go through the box thoroughly as possible. Some instances, other unboxings, I go through the box, you think there's nothing else until I dig deeper and like, oh, there's some more stuff found. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty quick unboxing. There it is in portrait mode. I believe it supports portrait mode only for video calling. And there's the camera for video calling. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So the review link will be in the video description. Be sure to check out, as well as my social links. Be sure to hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.